Okay, hello, brothers and sisters of India and all over the world. Just and properly the Americans, yes, and the German and the French, France, from the France, and the Spain, and the apart from that, the all over the world. Hello, respected uh, my friends, my brothers and sisters. So today's topic I'm just going to talk on with you, and I'm discussing my what is the seminar topic, that is the integration of the 5G with the robotics, that is the convergence of the 5G with the robotics, how the robotics will be connected to the 5G. So basically, what is robotics? I'm just whatever knowledge I have, I'm just describing it. I have not read it so much. I have to be prepared. I have to prepare and learn more, read more about it. So starting with my points. So what is robotics? It is a machine learning, and it is a, what is was it? It's apart from the man, means which is able to do the any work, which is able to do the work with proper fashion, and can do the work without tired, without laziness, just as the man do. The man is lazy, but the robot cannot. Whatever work we have to assign it, he can do it very properly in the consistent, in the very proper manner, because there are some algorithms working in it. The robot is made from the it's it is the artificial intelligence. The role of the machine learning means the it is the man-made thinking given to the robot, means we impart our knowledge into that robot, and he can work like us. That's the woman work. So what is the 5G? As this is a technology. This is the just like the 1G, 2G, 3G. This is the fifth generation of the technology. Means the technology is moving very faster and faster. So if you have to move toward and want to gain some knowledge of the technology, we have to dive deep into that technology, and the innovation is happening in the very fast manner. And right now we are in India, we are on the currently the 5G, but apart from the India, the world is moving toward the 6G also. So what is the 5G? 5G is the technology which reduces the latency, improve the speed, improve the efficiency. There is a lot of noise which is from the background, because here is one there's a festival of the Ganesh. So okay, that's okay. So later we will talk on the discussion of the robotics and the integration of the 5G with the robotics. So my topic is, I have choose one topic for my seminar which converges the here is my sister. Just look to my sister. Just I am just making my vlogging. Just she is my what you are doing? You are
पागल ब्लॉगिंग
मैं नहीं ना, मैं बना रहा नहीं ना, पागल है क्या, मैं ऐसे ही कर रहा हूँ. व्हाट मीन्स क्या खिलाने को क्या बोलते? यू आर हाँ हाँ
फीडिंग
हाँ, यू आर फीडिंग, शी इज फीडिंग माई मी द शिव. हाँ okay, whatever, that's great, that's delicious. Okay, that's right. So continue our topic. What is the integration of the 5G with the robotics? So there are so many advantages of the technology that make our life easy, and we can also, there is a communication, there is a lot of the technological advancement, there is a lot of advancement we see in the current world, that is which reduces the latency. In the 4G we see that there is a lot of latent communication, means it's not too fast, but in the 5G we can, there is a, this can provide a lot of speed, means the maximum speed, efficient, very efficiently, and very the as the technology moves up and up, there's a, we can see the advantage, but there is some disadvantage also. As we know that the every concept has its merit or the merit. सबका अपना कुछ एडवांटेज होता है, सबका कुछ डिसएडवांटेज होता है. जैसे अभी हमें को गेट देना है, तो गेट का कुछ एडवांटेज भी है, कुछ डिसएडवांटेज भी है, बट we have to focus on the advantage. What we have to focus on the good things. I just talk to you in just the American accent. I just want to learn the American accent. Okay, brother, I just watched the many videos, very inspirational videos. Okay, just I follow the channel just like the Dhruv Rathi. He's my this wonderful brother. He's my brother very well. He just moved to the Germany, and live their life. And currently he's very consistent in making the videos, and right now he has crossed over the 20 million subscribers. So now I am saying you the very important live lesson, means a very important point which I have read, which I have read it. Okay, so is it if we discuss the people, is it if we discuss the people, we are cheap minded. If we discuss the ideas, we are stock minded. Oh, no, no. If we discuss the people, we are cheap minded. If we discuss the thoughts, if we discuss the thoughts, whatever thoughts we have, we are average minded. But if we discuss the idea, we are good minded, we are strong minded, brothers. So we have to focus on the sharing the ideas. So as our motivation, my role model is the APJ Abdul Kalam, Avil Baki Janaluddin Abdul Kalam. As you all know that he's the uh, ex-president of our India, and he is the one who has no hate, means the very man of very means motivational people. He always he's the become he was the president of the India, but he's very constantly teaching the youth of the India, and he is gives the very motivational speak that the children, he always inspire the children and the youth of the our nations. And okay, that's great. Okay, we also, what's our topic? That's the integration of the 5G with the robotics. I just distract from my topic. So continue to our topic. So what is the architecture of the robotics? What is the architecture of the integration of the 5G with the robotics? So we see the everywhere the robotics is come in the every sector, just like the manufacturing, service, education, and so on. But we are see this, there are so many robots working in the hand, and this is the era of the AI. We see the many AI influencers over the internet, just like the there are so many influencers just on the Instagram, YouTube, and so on, and the news channel also using it. But the right thing is to choose that the highest AI is doing the every work, brother. Just like the just we have seen the Devin AI. Devin AI, it's building the website. It takes the job. It means it devastating the software engineering field. Means the everything, the artificial intelligence is doing the every work. Then what the human can do, what it left. But we have to learn the skills. We have to learn those skills which the AI doesn't do. Means if you want to survive in this battle, we have to find such things, we have to find such a skills, we have to build such a skills that does not done by the AI. So AI makes our work easy, but it create the lot of the it takes all a lot of the job. But if you have to become great in our field, there is a lot of opportunity. As one of the man said that we have not discovered many things in this world, we have just discovered the somewhat little bit as the man, we have just discovered the so little things. This is the entire universe, so big, millions of billions of galaxies in the world. Just we are living on this galaxy and the one planet, and there's so many planets, so many universe. The universe is very big, very big. We have not explored such many things. So we have just discovered the very few things in this world. So what we talk so we have not reached to our expertise, we have not reached to our peak. Okay, the mankind, but we have to survive, but we have to protect this our earth. As this, we know that this is the only planet where we can live. There is no such exoplanet living this. I just there is no, don't believe on the Elon Musk. He's just trying to build one. Has my dad coming, and we are going to Ganesh Mandal. Okay, just thank you, brother. No, I'm just continuing it. Okay, just one taking the 2 minutes more, no, 1 minute more. So what we have to do, just education does not come from the values. We have to learn the values, just like the in the 18th centuries, in the 19th century, we see that we saw that the Germany was very much literate country, but what happened? We know that India is not so literate at that time, but we saw that the Germany, which is very talented, which is very educated country, has given us the dictator, has given the dictator, which is Adolf Hitler, and the country which is not very literate, means our India, has given us the Mahatma Gandhi, who teaches us the values such as the ahimsa and the non-violence and the peace. So what is needed in this world? We need the peace, we need the cooperation, we need the collaboration, and so many things, brothers. So this is the time where the every country is in war with the other countries, means just like we see that there is a Russia and the Ukraine war, the Israel and the Hamas, and the China and the Taiwan, and the why is it happening? So because of the greed of the man, because of the greed of the politics, because of the greed of the, but if we have to make our planet very great place, so we have to move toward the such a things which make the peace. APJ Abdul Kalam always said that science and spirituality together can create a good world. So we have to move toward that. So speak. I will, I will, yes, I will make this planet a better place. I will work continuously to make this planet better place, so that the upcoming generation will take the advantage of it. And they always said that, they will say that this is the planet and the greatest planet and the best planet of this universe. So that's all about it. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat, Jai Maharashtra. Okay, that's great. Bye bye.